Hello students, I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class we are completed level 2 34 problems. Now this is 35. Read the question carefully. Four digit numbers with different digits are formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One number from them is picked up at random. The chances that the selected number contains the digit 1 is. Here, 8 numbers given, we want to form that 4 digit number. So this is a overall possible cases. There are 8 digits. Out of 8 digits, take 4 digits and arrange them. That is 8p4. So here total number of possible cases n of s is equal to 8p4. Okay. Now we need to identify n of e. N of e. What they are given condition? Out of 4 digits, one digit already selected. That digit is 1. Remaining we can select. There are 4 places now. 4 places, one place we are selected. Which place we don't know. One digit we are selected. Remaining we want to select first. N of E. Out of 8 digits, remove one digit. That should be 1. Remaining how many are there? Remaining 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 7 numbers. Out of these can be select 3. Just I am selecting. Just select 3. After that, what you are selected? Here see condition. Different digits. Different digits. Already one clearly given in the question. One is selected. Remaining, for suppose one already selected, remaining 7 numbers I am going to select 2, 3, 4. Out of these 4 can be arranged here. How many number of 4 digit numbers possible? 4 factorial. 4 numbers can be arranged in 4 places. That is 4 factorial or not. Now this is n of it. So required probability P of E, that is n of E by n of S. 7C3 into 4 factorial divided by 8P4. Students, what is 7C3? 7, 6, 5 divided by 1, 2, 3. 4 factorial means 24 divided by 8p4, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay. Now calculate this. 2, 3, 6. Yes, these are cancelled. 5, 5 cancelled. 7, 7 cancelled. 6 4s are 24. 4 2s are 8. Overall, the answer is 1 by 2. Which option correct? First option. Okay. If you know permutation and combination, then this question is very easy because they are given 8 digits. By using 8 digits form different 4 digit numbers, that is 8p4 directly without condition. But they are given one condition. One digit is selected, that should be 1 already selected. Remaining 3 digits we want to select. After selecting the digits, then we can arrange. So except 1, there are 7 digits. Out of 7 can be select 3. After selecting these digits can be arranged in 4 places, that is 4 factorial. Okay students, I think all of you understood now. 3 numbers are chosen at random. Three numbers are chosen at random from the set 1 to 10. The probability that the smallest of the three numbers chosen is even. The smallest of the three numbers chosen is even. First, we need to find favorable cases, sorry, possible cases in office. How many digits are there? There are 10 digits. Out of 10 can be select 3 digits. What is 10C3 calculation? 10 into 9 into 8 by 1 into 2 into 3. Do this calculation, you will get answer 120. Next, out of 1 to 10, what are the even numbers, students? Even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. These are 10 also even now, right? Now here there are different cases. So first case, we are selecting the two numbers. The two numbers out of that smallest number is even given. So I am taking number is 2 is a even. Out of 3 digits, I am selected 2. This is one of the number. More than to observe that how many numbers are there? There are 8 numbers. Out of 8 can be select 2. What are they? Anyone, no problem. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 8, 9, 10. But smallest number is even. So out of 8 digits can be select any 2. This is first case. Plus. Now second case. I am taken 4 even number. 4. After 4, what are the numbers? See? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many numbers are there? There are 6 numbers. Out of 6 can be select any 2 because 4 is selected out of 3. Remaining 2 numbers we need. Plus after 4, what is the even number? 6. Observe that more than 6. What are the numbers here? 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of 7, 8, 9, 10, 4 digits there are. Select 2. Okay. Next, take that 8. After 8, how many numbers are there? Observe clearly. There are 2 numbers. Those are 9 and 10. So 9 and 10. 2 numbers can be selected 2. If you are taken 10, more than 10, there is no numbers. This is a big number. Okay, these cases not exist. Now finally calculate this 8C2 value plus 6C2 plus 4C2 plus 2C2. Already I calculated. Those sum is 50. Now write the required probability. Required probability P of E, that is N of E by N of S. 50 by 120, that is correct answer. 5 by 12, that is first option. Students, all of you understood now? Here we need to select 3 numbers.